How to make money with MidJourney AI step-by-step tutorial. AI art is exploding right now. It's not just fun or futuristic. It's a real way to make money online in 2025. In this video, I'll walk you step-by-step through how to use MidJourney AI to create jaw-dropping artwork and turn it into a profitable income stream. Whether you're an absolute beginner who's never touched AI before, or someone who's already been experimenting, this tutorial is packed with practical methods to start earning today. What is MidJourney? MidJourney is basically your AI art genie. You type what you want and boom, in just seconds, you get unique, original artwork. From futuristic logos, photorealistic portraits, to trippy, surreal landscapes, the possibilities, endless. And here's the kicker. People are already paying big money for these visuals. That's why MidJourney isn't just a fun toy. It's a money-making machine waiting for you to use. Method 1. Sell AI art online. Sell AI art with print on demand. This is one of the easiest ways to monetize your MidJourney creations. Here's how it works. 1. Create a design in MidJourney, for example. Minimalist mountain t-shirt design. 2. Upload it to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Merch by Amazon. 3. Every time someone buys your design on a t-shirt, mug, or poster, till you get paid. The beauty of this, it's passive income. You design once, and it keeps selling over and over while you sleep. Method 2, freelance work. Freelancing with MidJourney. On Fiverr or Upwork, clients are looking for logos, album covers, book illustrations, concept art. Normally these take hours to create. But with MidJourney, you can generate studio quality results in minutes. Example, offer a $50 logo package. MidJourney generates 4 variations. You refine them in Photoshop or Canva, deliver to your client, and boom, to fast turnaround, high profit. This is how you go from side hustle to serious freelance business. Method 3, stock images and licensing. Platforms like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, 123 RF Now Allo AI-generated content. That means you can upload MidJourney images, abstract backgrounds, textures, patterns, fantasy art, and get paid every time someone licenses your image. It's like planting seeds, and over time, you grow a steady stream of passive income. Method 4, social media growth. Go viral with social media. People love watching AI art in action. On Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, creators are blowing up just by sharing time lapses or collections of MidJourney art. And here's the play. Once you grow your audience, you can monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, selling your own AI art packs. This is the low barrier, high reward entry point into the booming AI art economy. Conclusion. So, let's recap the 4 proven ways to make money with MidJourney. 1. Sell designs through print on demand. 2. Offer freelance services. 3. Upload to stock photo platforms. 4. Build a social media audience. MidJourney isn't just for making cool art. It's a powerful income tool for 2025 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next AI money-making strategy from Best Bots.